Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening, and it is a hot one today. It is early summer and I am back at Florida Botanical Garden in Largo, Florida, and it's quite different from when I was last here, which was winter, and we did a little winter tour. So I'm actually starting here in the butterfly garden. There's a lot of different things going on. It looks so different from when we were here last. There's some beautiful butterflies back here. My butterfly bench that I love is actually too hot to sit on. So I love doing gardening field trips because I love gardening, you all know that. But I love learning about different planting zones, different plants, and I also take a lot of inspiration from seeing some different things. So you get a lot of different design ideas. So this should be a lot of fun. Back at home in Connecticut, I'm in zone 6A, and then here in Largo, it is zone 10A, kind of on the cusp of 9B. So when we were last here in January, the temps were upper 40s at night and high 60s during the day, and now we're here early summer and it has been hot and humid, so high 80s, low 90s, and I've got my sunscreen on, my hat, and I'm really excited about seeing some different things here. So I love all of the learning opportunities here for the kids and for us big kids too. So there's a lot of little kiosks or stations with some interactive activities here, and this is really cute. Spin it, plant parts. Already having so much fun here. So I love Florida and I love the botanical gardens. But what I don't love, as you know, is this. This is about as close as I get. So I'm definitely not going to be feeding or molesting any alligators. So we're wrapping up our tour today. It is midday and it's getting too hot to handle here. But of course I'm going to end the tour today in the cottage garden because I love cottage gardens and it's a little bit different and I just find it so interesting. The other thing that I'm really noticing is that when we were here in the winter, there were a lot of things that were dormant because, as my mom used to say, who was also a gardener, that everything has a life cycle. So things weren't as vibrant as they are now, and right now it's hot and everything's in its prime, including the palms and all of the foliage plants and of course the flowers. So I'm going to leave you with the cottage garden tour, and I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you liked the video, please go ahead and tap like and subscribe to our channel and come on and grow with us.